Good morning guys, in front of me is Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2025, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and here in this current wallpaper panel, just mark customize. You can do it on both home and lock screens. You can pick some photo, then you can change the font, you can cancel if you don't like it, then go to photo again, choose the album from which you want to select it. Just don't scroll that fast as I did it. Okay, so let me try, for example, this one. Here, let's go through all the options. We can change the color style here, as you can see. Well, I still don't like it. Let me pick another one. Maybe this one. We can slide it. It's better to use fingers to customize your wallpaper on the screen. Okay, so let me leave it this way. Tap on done, and that's it. The wallpaper is set. Mark done. If you wish to change your lock screen, just mark customize on lock screen and choose photo the same way. Let me go with this one. Obviously, you can customize it however you like. You can zoom it in, out, and then mark done. So that's it. As you can see, both are set, and from now on, those pictures cover both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.